Hey guys, as more and more people are making the switch to electric kitchens, you're going to hear the word induction thrown around a lot. I'm going to tell you what that is and how to get your hands on an induction burner to try out in your kitchen for free. So my friends at Building Decarbonization Coalition invited myself and 15 other chefs from across the country to come and learn about electrifying kitchens, more about induction cooking and combi steam ovens and all this stuff. And I was wondering, how do we get this into the hands of people so they can try out for themselves? And they had an answer. Head over to switcheson.org. It's a great resource for everything electrification for your home. Down in the corner, there's Explore Incentives. And you just type in your zip code. You're going to see all these rebates and programs for heat pump water heaters and stuff like that. But over to the left is induction lending programs. And just in my area, there's 3 of them. So I get to choose one of these. Either you're going to have it shipped to you, or you're going to pick it up at like a local public library or city hall, somewhere like that. You're going to get the induction unit itself, some instructions on how to use the model that you get, and also a pan to use with it. We're talking about electromagnetism. So induction cooking is an electromagnet underneath the surface here. You need a magnetic pan to be on top of it. If you've ever used a wireless charger with your phone or your tablet, you just lay it on the thing and somehow it magically charges. It's the exact same thing. It's induction energy. And instead of a phone or a tablet, we're heating up the pot or pan directly. Pots and pans that work with induction are going to need to be magnetic. So stainless steel, carbon steel, cast iron all work great. Just no aluminum or glass or ceramic. Bring a magnet with you when you go to the thrift store or flea market. So this first video really was just about how to get your hands on one of these. Once you try it for yourself, you're going to see how much faster your kitchen will be cooler. It's better for the environment and your health. I'm an avid backpacker, so it's really important for me. I'll be making more videos as I use it more in my Spencer's Pantry dinners, and I look forward to learning along with you guys. So take care.